Hi guys, I want to share with you these masks that I just received in the mail yesterday. I ordered them through Fine Art America and it's got my artwork on them, and I wanted to share with you what they look like. So they are pleated masks and they've got my artwork on the front, plain white on the back, and there is an opening here so that you can add a filter if you'd like. The elastic is nice and long so it's comfortable. When you put this over your ears, you can then stretch it out so that it covers entirely around your chin and then across the bridge of your nose here. So full coverage, really comfortable. I'm really excited about all these colors, and I've got about 18 of them available right now. I'm going to upload some more images so that you have some more choices. One last thing I want to share with you, and that is in the first month that Fine Art America made these available, they had 500,000 orders. And so they were doing some catch up, and you're going to find that you may need to trim, get your scissors out and trim some of the string that was left behind. But other than that, I am super pleased with the quality and the colors of these and can't wait to wear them. If you placed your order already, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't, I'm going to include a link down below if you're interested. Check out the different choices, and hope you guys stay safe and stay well. All right, thanks.